Well, 69 Westie. Got our bumpers here. And look at that front floor. A New England bus with a front floor like that. We got our mosquito net. I even found these gray commercial hubcaps on this Nugget. I got a picture of it when I was like 2 years old. Solid upper rockers or dog legs. A little lower rust there. And check this out, I just saw this. 8.4 of 1970, 6,900 miles. VW service stickers. Well, it's got 3 of them. That's a good sign. It was maintained for the first 7,000 miles anyway. Oh no! Got no motor. Did I give somebody a motor? I swear I had a motor for this. I feel like I gave somebody a motor. Who the heck did I give my motor to? Well, anyway, if you guys see anyone with a bay window mustache bar motor possibly doing videos on YouTube, do me a favor, drop them a comment and let them know it. I would love to have my engine back. Doesn't do us good with no motor, but got all kinds of muffler parts. Got another emblem. So we're gonna get this thing to the shop and get it inside where it belongs. Speedcraft, Wakefield, Rhode Island. Take care of those corners. A little bit of rust. The door actually opens and closes. The nose isn't too bad. We do have a cracked windshield and we got a little rust in here, but yeah, another thing I don't like about newer vehicles, ignition switch lock, and I left the keys at home. Awesome. Yep, sure was easy getting it on. I think we got it now. I'm just gonna go for it. Hey guys, well it's Friday, so you know what that means, just 2 more days of the work week. I took the key out. I did grab the keys to the bus, so at least with my epic fail with no keys, I did get the key out for a quick ride to the shop. So we'll see how this goes. I'm sure I forgot something in the truck that I'm gonna need here, so stay tuned. All right guys, welcome to the shop. Where have I been? Well, much like today and my idea to get the bay window bus in here, the last 6 weeks for me has been a fail. Bus isn't going to fit under here. We got about 13 feet. I was going to roll Huck out, roll the bay window in. Not going to happen. Bus is going to have to sit out front. But while we're here, let's just give you a quick overview of what's happening. Last I knew, the 36, actually this is a 1500 bottom end with 36 parts. This was still seized. I've got it soaking. I haven't checked it in a while. The plan is to drop this motor. Over here we have the 67 SO42 Guitar Kid. This shot's for you. Brakes are almost done. I gotta put the master cylinder in. A little bit of floor work. Give the motor a tune-up. Send it. Huck, the 67. This car just talks to me. Even Jen loves Huck. So we gotta do something with Huck. So Huck's over here, gonna be getting some love soon. Up top, we've got the black 57 Frankenstein oval. This is the one we recently did a will it run on. We're gonna get to work on this motor. Maybe we'll even work on it tonight. I gotta get something done. So maybe we'll do that tonight. I got some parts here from Sparx Werks. We'll be checking those out here in a minute. And then tucked in this little cubby hole, we have the chassis that I paid $500 for. Musty One did the will it run on this. I think we had a sticky what was going on? We had a stuck valve or something, I think on this side. I'll have to watch the video. I've had this soaking. We're gonna get into this. This motor is gonna go into the 55 rusty oval. So that's the plan for this motor. Plan for the chassis, I really don't know. No paperwork on it. No idea where the body to the car is. So we've got some terrible lighting in here, temporary lighting. I was gonna get some of those Harbor Freights up on the ceiling. I still need to paint all these walls white. It's been cold. Painting doesn't really work well when it's white. However, my friend says you have heat. Well, he's right. We do have heat. But, see that thing over there? But the oil, that's not good if you want heat. She's empty. So I get a lot of people asking me, how do you like this titanium welder? I gotta tell you, I love it. I am running the 0.00 wire and it's fantastic, very economical. All right, well, I am super excited about this. This package is from Bill from Sparx Werks. He restores fuel pumps and distributors. And I've only seen photos of what he's done, but I just can't wait to get one of these in my hand. What do we got? Distributor. Let's see what we got here. You ready? Oh yeah. Nice. Look at that. That's a beauty. Thank you, Bill. Very nice, very nice. All Bosch. Let's see what else he's got for us. New gaskets. It's been a while. He's like, you open that yet? I said, no, I've been so busy. And let's see. Awesome. That's going in the on the 1600 205. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Awesome work, Bill. I'll put a link in the description and maybe even pin a comment if you want to check out Bill's website. Let's find one of these fuel pumps. I strongly dislike aftermarket fuel pumps. I just don't like the way they look. There we go. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's a beautiful part. Well done, sir. Thank you very, very much. And he sent comprehensive instructions on installing all of his parts that he sent. We all know I need that. Let's just keep going. Which one is this? The 205K. So this is for the Westie, the 67 SO42, I believe. Oh, that is, God, that's beautiful. Would you look at that? You got to get one of these. And I bought these. Bill didn't send me these. He's not paying me or oh, look at that one. Look at that. That is just, God, that is beautiful. Are we getting this? That's what I want on my car. Right there. That's the fuel pump I want on my car. Any of my cars. I think we've got one for a 36. I think this is my, oh yeah, oh. Yes. We've got the 56 oval window convertible. I think we need a distributor for it, so I went ahead and got one of these. We've got a few ovals, so look at that thing. Will you look at that? One last look at Bill's work at Sparx Werks. Check him out. Super happy, super fast turnaround time. Thank you, Bill. I super appreciate it. If you don't want to run the Chinese fuel pumps or the knockoff distributors, get one. You won't be disappointed. So, what's in that one? That one, let's throw one in. All right, let's get Hulk moved up and we'll drop the Frankenstein oval here. Going down. Second floor, ladies' lingerie. Right about there. All right, well, looking at this motor, this is the B, this is a 1600 single port. I want to get this thing cleaned up before I put those new parts in. I mean, look at these things. I'm gonna go with that. 205. And my favorite carb, the 30 pick 1. This was from VOLKZBITZ, Tim, another guy that just does awesome work. So I will take the old carb, take it apart, put it in ultrasonic, and rebuild it, but having one turnkey from Tim. If you haven't seen Tim, he takes this and turns it into that. VOLKZBITZ. I'll put a link for him as well. Carbs are amazing. All right, well, let's get something done tonight. I guess we'll check the valves, change the oil. We got this intake pipe had that crack on there, so we gotta get that fixed, and we'll get this motor cleaned up. So you wonder where I've been. Well, I've got the appropriate socket for the old drain plug, but I don't have the 1/2 inch ratchet, only the 3/8 ratchet. What kind of shop is this? Can't even take a drain plug off. That's it. That's all I got, guys. This is how it's been going. Just one fail after another, but hey, I just keep chugging along, so that's it. That's all I got. I thought we could work a little magic on the 57 Frankenstein bug here with Bill's parts. Didn't happen. Couldn't even change the oil. What kind of shop is this? You can't even do an oil change. Unbelievable. So that's all I got. Thanks for dropping in. What comes after this, if there's any content, I don't know. So thank you guys for dropping in. How we couldn't get an oil change done. Wasted awesome Sparx Werks parts. But we're going to get there. We're going to get going. We're going to get this oil change done. We're going to get the little magic welding stick out and zzz, 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 and then we're going to get the paint out and be like zzz, zzz, and things are going to happen here. This is going to be the VW shop. The other garage that you guys probably know is going to be all motorcycle. I mean, I'll have some Dubs over there in the corner, but we'll be getting back on the CR project. I got a lot of motorcycle projects. I have a lot of projects, period, as you know. So enough out of me. Have a great weekend. Thanks for dropping in. It's good to be back, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.